products we're going to be reviewing provided by Lithium Auto, and that was to give an honest review. One was really good, and two were simply astounding. Also, Lithium agreed to do a giveaway of their ceramic slam, so you gotta stick around for them details. We're using Lithium's Double Tap Car Wash today, and I have mixed up a very healthy amount into the foamer, wash bucket, and a spray bottle. We'll get into the spray bottle in just a moment. Double Tap smells just like eucalyptus, and that's because it's one of the ingredients in there. I was also told it's not going to leave a film on the surface. Now, as the shop in my garage doesn't have a water filtration system, and I don't think you do either, that's a really good thing. You must pre-soak it first. Now, the reason being is you want it to go ahead and encapsulate some of that dirt and float it off of the surface, so by the time you go to wipe it down, some of them boogers you flung out the window aren't stuck to the paint and causing more swirls and scratches than you'd ever thought of. I only wash in straight lines, and I fold and flip the towel so I use all 8 sections, and I do that pretty regularly. I am not going to dip it back in the solution. Instead, I'm just going to grab another microfiber and continue on my merry way. Smash that subscribe button just like Mario smashes a Goomba. Use that spray bottle with the double tap, get into the nooks and crannies and in the door jambs, some of those harder to reach places, and gently agitate it with a safe brush for detailing. If you don't have a brush set, there's a link in the description for a very inexpensive but very high quality brush set. Now, before I go ahead and dry the car off, what I do is I spray it liberally, and I mean like really liberally, with this Ignite After Wash. The reason being is it's a ceramic drying aid that has lubricants and polymers as well as SiO2, which is silicon dioxide. That's not only going to help you dry in your car, but it's going to keep you from getting more scratches on your paint. So you get most of your scratches and swirls to actually dry in your car because there's leftover road funk and some of them hardened boogers you flung out the windows. This is going to help that when you wipe, the surface is lubricated and ain't going to dig in and scratch. After I blew off about 95% of the water, the drying was not only a breeze, but I kept on exclaiming loudly, "Wow, man, this shit is the shit." You have no idea just how much I truly love this stuff. I've used many drying aids in the past, but the gloss left by this Ignite, it was breathtaking. If you use the discount code BubbaRay15, you're gonna get 15% off of every order that you continue to apply it to. This means that you're not going to need to ask your wife's boyfriend for a loan just so you can detail your car. Alright, so after I used the Ignite, I stepped up to the ceramic slam. This is a spray ceramic coating, and I've always used traditional ceramics in the past, so I figured I'd give it a whirl because they sent it to me for free. The application is really similar to a traditional ceramic coating where you coat a very small section at a time in a crosshatch pattern. The directions said that I could go ahead and either spray it onto a microfiber or spray it on the surface. I tried both. After I let it dwell for just a little bit, I buffed it off with a clean microfiber towel, and I'll tell you what, I had only intended on doing a very small section of the car to try it out. I was forced to do the whole car because the gloss was amazing. You could actually see the separation from where I had used the ceramic slam and where I hadn't. Bear in mind, this is a ceramic coated car. I am absolutely in love with this stuff. Giveaway time. Go ahead and comment below why the C6 Corvette is the greatest car of all time, and you're automatically entered in to win the ceramic slam. The winner's going to be announced Sunday, March 2nd with a community post, so you need to subscribe so you don't miss that, and go ahead and click so you can watch the Lithium interior product review. That stuff was dadgum amazing too.